What up, squad? 1 second. Get everything working. We should be good to go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, welcome everyone. So let's just put this on here. Welcome to a new week over here. So yeah, let's just see if we're filling up. Yeah, we are. Is my voice on? Yeah. Okay, beautiful. So let's get into this over here, guys. So looking like Asian session. One sec. Good morning, Moses. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, looking like Asian session for GJ. It looks like it's pretty much the same as what it's been doing the past week or two. Just a bit of a crappy area. So it looks like GJ came up and then it came all the way back down to the lows. Okay, so it's kind of rejected the highs. Sells below are going to be quite nice. So let's just take a look. Right, so daily time frame. It's already made a top wick. It's quite bearish. It's looking like it could probably come to 162 eventually, maybe in the next couple of days, which is interesting. Can you guys hear me? I think you guys can. Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Nice. So yeah, let's take a look at the daily time frame. Okay, so the daily flip, as I said, we're bearish right now. We've already made the top wick, so it's looking okay for maybe some sells later on. 4-hour time frame is right at this level as well. So yeah, we're still right at the 4-hour flip and the daily flip. So it's nothing set in stone yet. Take a look at the hourly time frame now. So the hourly time frame is just opened up. Let me just take a look at gold because I'm checking something. Yeah, I'm okay right now. So yeah, I think let's look on the 30 and the 15. Yeah, I think it's very, very basic, right? So all we need to do is wait for a closure below, probably below 163057, somewhere like that. The only issue there is it's very close to 163. Let's look at the hourly time frames. Yeah. I think that is probably the only opportunity, though, to be honest with you. And for buys are going to be rather hard. I think for me, buys are probably going to come above 163855. You could potentially take the buys here. 1 second. Above 163600. How much is it to fill that wick? 9 pips to fill a wick. It's okay. That zone's like okay. So you might be able to get the riskier buys there. We'll have to see. Let me just add this on. Risky buys above 163609. Okay, beautiful. Good morning, Max. How was your weekend? It was very good. So my friends came up, so it was nice to see them. And yeah, I had a nice little weekend. So then here, I think sells below would be nice. Yep. And then buys above. $163,860. Very nice. There we go. That's our kind of targets for our zones. I think the sells would play out nicer. So it says it's pretty slow right now. Yeah, it is. I agree. I think gold is bullish. Yep. I think I'm waiting for a trend line break. I backtested the shit out of this on Friday, so we'll see the score. But yeah, we'll go through gold in a second. But yeah, we'll see GJ. Yeah, look at that 5-minute rejection actually at 7 o'clock candle. Ooh, that doesn't look too bad, to be honest with you. If it breaks that hourly low here, the only issue is the support is quite close. Anyone eyeing that up? How much is the stop? Stop's 11 pips. Only issue is the support, as I said, is quite close. Yeah, 3 pips. It's pretty damn close. Take a look. Oh, nice, Moses. Where did you get in? Did they have any untested area? Yeah, they did, like up there and up there actually. Yeah, if it breaks that 30-minute low, that's also the hourly low. Should be good to really continue, I think, here. So, let's just get this up over here. I think I may just wait though, a little bit lower. I think that'll make life a little bit easier for us, I think. So that is what I'll do. Yeah, so we'll wait until sells below here. We'll take a look at gold right now. So, daily time frame looking like it's rejected the lows. You can see on the monthly as well. Oh, sorry, the weekly. Really tapped into 1682 and rejected off it pretty hard, which is nice to see, man. Nice to see. Let's just chill on a Monday. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I mean, rejected the lows there. I do think now we could continue bullish. Daily time frame is looking good. Daily time frame is just made a low wick right now. Very nice. Morning, Max, joining in for the first time. Oh, amazing. Very nice. Oh, GJ's going to do it. The stop isn't that bad, guys, actually, to be honest, so people wanting to get in. Only 11 pips. My issue is it's right next to this 30 support, so I'm just going to wait until the low. So, let's get on Goldie over here. The daily time frame right now is bearish, but as I said, I think it's making the lower wick to then potentially continue further down. 4-hour time frame. Let me just get rid of this trend line and we'll do it together. 4-hour time frame is bearish right now. Looking like the last one closed bullish, which is good to see. Looking like it's making some support. That's what I see anyway. Okay, looking like it's making some support. The previous resistance was 1719. Looking like we pretty much made support there, which is good to see. The hourly time frame is looking a little bit rangy. Nothing too much going on in the hourly right now. It's looking like it's got resistance at 1727 and support at 1720, so that's okay. And then take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so looking like we have just rejected the highs, but I think buys are going to be nice on the 30-minute anyway, above 1728 if you get a closure. So yeah, looking at it on the 5-minute time frame, because we're looking at this trend line. It's looking like we're holding a trend line either from here to here, or there may be another one now. Here to here. Nah, it doesn't really go well. I think this is the main one for me. 1 second. This trend line. So if you do break this at some point and then flip the daily in the 4-hour, would be rather nice. So what I'd really want in this case is like a candle closing bullish like this. The next one opens, wicks down to here. I take a buy there with stop loss below the previous zone. And then when this flips and continues, you've got a very nice entry. So that's what I'll be looking for on Goldie. So yeah, I'll wait for a closure here. 4, 5-minute trend break. And there we go. So I'll have my little zones up as well. Let's look at the 15 and stuff. 30-minute. Yeah, this is the main level. It won't really price to break. That's what we're wanting. And I think for sells will probably be better below 1719, like down there. I think that will be pretty good. And yeah, we're looking good. I am supposed to break in. Yes, untested 5-minute close with 10 pips. Nice, well done. Very nice, Moses. Very nice. Let me just turn this down a little bit. Very nice. So let's take a look at the chart. Would wait for for a break of 163 flat on GJ as well to be safe on a Monday. Yeah, I agree. Has it done it yet? Nothing yet. Yeah, I think 163 down here will be much easier. But we know that GJ, I'm not gonna lie, has been pretty awful last week and so. So if I have to not trade GJ this week for it to sort itself out, I really wouldn't be asked, to be honest with you. Like already, look at this price action. It's just painful to watch. So yeah, we'll take a look at EJ as well in the second. And yeah. So let me just write this over here. So that's the good thing now with Goldie, right? We can use the 5-minute trend line for certain entries. We can use 30-15 closures above and below. Got a lot of arsenal, right? So when things are harder to trade in some areas, you've got extra backup, which is good. Waiting for EJ to close below. Yeah, we'll take a look at this over here. EJ. Yes, so EJ on this FXCM is looking okay. It's looking like it has a little gap, to be honest. I'm just going to put it true to the value that it says it is. So the daily right now, bearish. It seemed like GJ rejected the highs and looking like it's going to probably be a little bit bearish today. 4-hour time frame is looking a little bit bearish as well. Just move this on over here. Looking like the 4-hour doesn't look the cleanest. Looking like it's a little bit choppy. But that is okay. That is okay. Let's take a look at the... Yes, it's on 4-hour. Okay, so yeah, 4-hour and daily is right at where price is right now. Normally shows that price is struggling to find direction. Take a look at the EJ. Yeah, for me, this is chalked as well, man. I'm not going to lie. I think people may be wanting sells maybe here. 1 second. Below like this. Yeah, I can see how that would be interesting, but for me, I think I don't really want to be playing in this crappy area. So I think for me personally, I'm probably gonna wait for a sell below. Let's look on the 30s. A 30-year support as well. It's not too bad actually. I'd say maybe below like 138.950 would be okay. That'll be pretty good. Is the screen blurry? Guys, is my screen blurry or not? I think it might be your signal maybe. Yeah, your signal may be a little bit shit over here. So yeah, looking like, yeah, okay, it's okay. Everyone says it's fine, so yeah, it must be your Wi-Fi, I think. Must be your Wi-Fi. So yeah, looking like GJ is kind of rejecting over here. It's struggling, but it's tapped the support, right? Tapped the 30-minute support, so that's why you see. It's what you can see. I have a feeling this is going to be another hard session for GJ, if I'm honest, in this crappy area. So yeah, gotta wait. But I think Goldie may give us an opportunity later on. Screen's fine. It's clear. Okay, amazing, amazing. Very nice. Okay, so Max, I'm in a sell on GJ. Oh, I hope you sorted yourself out over here. Maybe after that 5-minute close back bullish here, that's probably a good way to get out, I think. GJ was crazy this month. Yeah, GJ's been pretty shit this month, I'm not gonna lie. From what I traded it, I think for the week that I was on holiday, it wasn't too bad. There's quite nice charts, but yeah. Very nice. Worked out beautifully, Moses. Well done. Very, very nice. I like. Okay, would wait for yeah, 1635. Yeah, exactly. Also, guys, I'm still waiting. If you guys don't have magic keys, I'm still waiting to see some nice chart analysis. Okay, this is a little bit better from trader Mickey over here. Let's take a look. Oh, here we go. There's Oliver. Oliver's got a great diagram over here. Okay, this is a bit better. This is nice. Okay. This is good. This is from JW21221. Very, very nice. Okay, so price held support and closed above. Yeah. Okay, very, very nice. Bullish engulfing, suggesting the next candle may continue. Yeah, make a lower wick, getting on the flip. Price created a bottom wick and flip, so I entered. Very nice. Target previous highs. So I think previous highs was there, and the bodies. I'd say the bodies is close. Is the most is the easiest thing to have. Let's say. Beautiful. Very, very nice. That's what I like. A little bit more analysis. This is good. Okay, same kind of thing for GJ. Oh, for Goldie, sorry. This is the gold. Okay, so gold 5-minute trend line. I think, let's just make a look. So, 5-minute trend line break and retest. Missed higher entry, got in at the break of the low. Okay, stopped at a break even. Okay. So, let's just see if this trend line was okay over here. So, I'd have it on the wicks. Like that. That. So for me, I don't think it closed. This is the candle that closed. Okay, so this is the candle that closed below this red one. So what I would have wanted was this next red one, this one here, to wick up, touch the trend line there, then take a sell, stop loss above there. So for me, I don't think there was an entry for me.
I took that gold sell, Maxi, but my trend line is slightly higher up, and it goes slightly from
lower.
Lower down.
Ah, okay, yeah. That's fair. I did think exactly. I remember seeing this one, and this top wick to the trend line, did it?
No, actually it didn't.
It just closed below. Did that one close below? Or that one?
Yeah, just closed below.
Yeah, fair.
No.
Fair. So when I was backtesting it, what I realized was that if it doesn't hit the trend line, I'm not getting in. So I missed like one or two every so often, but for the most part, if it hit the trend line, it gave me such a greater opportunity.
Yeah, but you're playing on the safer side, which is good.
Yeah, especially at the start as well. Okay, so let's take a look at some more questions. Max, how many monitors do you think you need? How many monitors do you think are enough for trading? Well, whatever you're comfortable with, right? But it depends. Like if you're on a stream, then that's one monitor pretty much, or if you're on like a Discord, then that's like one. Then you've got GJ, then you've got a MetaTrader. I don't know, it depends. It depends what you want. I think two is the bare minimum. I don't know how people do it on one chart, I'm not going to lie. But then I also stream as well, so like it's a little bit more for me, right? A little bit more for me. Brian's in the building. How was your weekend, brother?
How's it, are you?
Aye, not too bad.
Good news.
Aye, had a nice time.
Oh.
Nice little break.
That's good.
Yeah. GJ's still looking washed.
Yeah, it looks like shit again, but it's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll find something.
Exactly, man. I looked back at the week from last week, and it was just not nice. It was very hard.
See, everyone's excited for the big black Ted.
Yeah, after that NY, I was like, right, you know what? I'm just gonna do a back test and some of it just by myself, and I did it for about 4 hours.
Yeah, when I read the message, I was like, okay, it's either channeling his anger into that test.
Yeah. And one of the things that I did was I didn't even look at the higher time frames. I literally sat on the 5-minute, and when I was about to enter, I checked the higher time frames just in case.
And it matched.
And it matched. The only things happened was like if you were trying to enter and you're right on an hourly support or resistance for like a sell or a buy, it sometimes didn't work out. So that's the only thing you had to really worry about. Yeah.
So then you just got to worry about a high time frame support. Actually. Yeah. Stay on the 5, but just mark your high time frame support and resistance. That's okay.
Yeah. And all of the trades went above 10 pips. All of them.
Which is good.
Yeah, and all of them, a lot of them ran like the whole way because your entry's so high up. Like as long as it doesn't, like for example here, like if you just got to sell like there, right? If you just sell here, it's constantly going down. Like it's not going anywhere near back up to there, so it's nice.
Yeah, because the trend line anyway will be holding.
Yeah. Did you see Raj's backtesting video? No, I haven't actually.
I watched it.
How was it?
It was on gold. It was good. It was just there was a trade where he was faked out and he was like, okay, well that was shit, and then he looked for another entry and he got it, 50, 60 pips.
Oh really?
Yeah.
At what time?
I'll send you the.
At what time?
I can't remember.
Did he do pre-London? Because
Yes, he
that's
did.
where his stinking trades are, right?
100%. Yeah, pre-London. He said it's going to be on YouTube for like a day or two, and then he's deleting it. So if you want to watch it.
Yeah. Raja explained his new strategy, which is based more on the 4 hour. Ah, finally! Raja, good lad. Alright, I gotta definitely watch that then, yeah. Like, why the fuck would you hold a trade on like 50 pips and come back to entry and still hold it? I want to see. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like GJ's rejected, man. Rejected the lows. The 4 hour. It just looks washed, if I'm honest. It's just, yeah. So I'm just probably going to focus on this gold over here. Because I think we can potentially continue. If we break 1728, if you look on the 15, oh man. This could be nice. Oh, I nearly got into a gold trade later on in the day. Whilst I was backtesting. Yeah, well, I just got the confidence up whilst I was doing it. I was like, oh my god, I see an opportunity. And I fucking just missed it. So it was here. 1 second. Here. Yeah, so it was like this. Like that. So, you got your tap there. 1 second, let's get my thing out. So you got a wick, you got another wick here, you got fucking like 3 touches there. This is the closure above. This one then came a low wicked, so you get in on the wick, so like this. 1 second. You get in on the low wick when it opens, so you have a buy limit on the trend line like there. Stop loss below. And there you go.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, perfect.
And just that strong bullish closure is just another idea. We're coming straight back in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That double bottom on that time frame. Can you just draw a line there and see what that did on the 1 hour?
Wait, a line where?
Like this. Can you just make a line there and see what that was on the 1H?
Yeah. It was mad. I was watching. I was like, why the fuck is it coming all the way back down? It's this one here.
So it's a fake out.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Yep.
Fake out back into the range.
Yeah, because there's also a thing. It was oh no, it was here, right there. Let's take a look at the hourly out there. Yeah, it was here.
Shit. Yeah, so it's just rejection.
It's just yeah. But there was news that helped it push. 12:45, 2:45. There was news. That's the thing that launched it. Launched it. So yeah, I think let's take a look at EJ then for the buys. Oh man, this is what I'm doing, man. I'm really not even bothering like looking. If it just looks washed on the left hand side, which this one does, because unfortunately. Right. Okay. Jesus Christ. If you had resistance here, then the next support is here, and that zone is choppy because of the left hand side. Then you look here and you've got resistance there. It's just not nice, man. It's just a pain in the ass. So I like trading, you know, breaks of ranges, and this for me is just a whole fucking range. So no, it's just not nice. Did I just hear someone speak Afrikaans? Probably. I don't know.
It was Afrikaans.
Was it?
So they're saying hello Vorsi, which means hello sausage. So he's obviously also got a sausage dog. Classic.
I think Vorsi is the dog.
Definitely a sausage dog, man. A weenie dog.
Someone was getting their willy played with, like.
Yeah,
like
probably. For a Monday morning, I'll take it.
Okay, let's take a look then. So AJ, people said AJ looks cleaner, so let's take a look. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a bit bored of GJ just looking washed on 30-minute on the 15 time frame. I can't be fucking arsed with it. So yeah, we'll do gold backtesting sessions tomorrow, and we're just gonna go through them. I'm gonna write down all of the trades on the backtesting thing, though, so properly do it, and we'll start like at the start of a month. I'm just gonna go through it. We'll do it quite quicker because there's nothing really much to it apart from the 5-minute trend line, so you can go quite quick, which is nice. And there was only 1 or 2 times where I got absolutely fucking bummed on like when it came back and ripped the trend line, which is good. So it doesn't happen a lot. And for the most part, when it actually did that, it was normally at the start of an hourly, and the hourly had to make a bigger wick. So yeah. So AJ over here, yeah, AJ looks much cleaner actually. You're right. This looks much nicer, right? So this is clearly the resistance at 94,310, which looking like it's holding quite nicely. So buys above there would be rather nice for us. Let's just put this on. Buys above 94,312. Yeah. And where could we continue to if we do break this resistance? Well, we're going to come to this next support, which is here, which is 94,563. So that's pretty good. It's a nice zone, much cleaner, right? Can you see the difference? It's just much cleaner. So yeah, there's a daily area on EJ that I don't like. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, it's right at this resistance here, which could act as support. So yeah, I agree. Look at these 50-minute time frames. Oh, I really thought this weekend would sort GJ out. Let's take a look. I'm leaning more towards those. Yeah, wicked. So yeah, nice little charts over here. As I say, keep on sending in your chart work. That is not a chart that I need to look for, my man. I have no idea how you trade US30. But that's beautiful, man. I like the chart works when there's just a little bit more effort in, man. It doesn't take long to put in the effort, man. Makes things look much nicer. So yeah, 230 people in here. Make sure you like the stream squad, and we'll see what we can get today. We'll see what we can get. Jace, have you got this trend line as well for the buys?
Morning, Max.
Morning, morning.
I actually have mine on the right at the top from the.
Yeah, I think I saw that one as well. I had that drawn ages ago.
Yeah,
This one
actually I
here?
have mine from the top.
Still the
right?
same thing, really. It's still taps.
Yeah, but so that's how I have mine.
Yeah.
And then I have also a DC. Okay, that's a descending, and I also have an ascending trend line as well for self.
That's it.
Yep.
Good stuff.
There.
Yeah,
That's
there
it.
we go.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Holy.
Will you be streaming the gold back testing on YouTube? No, I'll be with the group, but I will do one for YouTube actually. I'm gonna be grinding this week, so I've got a lot of stuff to film and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna get around to doing that. I'm also gonna do the new the first beginner video. So yeah, I got a lot of shit to film.
Yeah, get on it, boy.
Yeah, get on it. Get on it, boy. But
Don't
yeah.
buy that cheap camera for nothing, you know what I mean?
Exactly. But yeah, the drive's looking a little bit more organized now. I've got a little bit set out with like all the orders, so that's pretty good. I'm very, very happy with that. So yeah, we'll go back and with the gold one, and I literally just want to bash these out, every single one, of them. Because when I did that back testing on the 5 minute, and I made, what was it, 72% in a month and 10 days. I'm literally not even like doing anything, like just sitting there and just if it 5 minute breaks, just taking it. Like it's the fucking easiest thing I've ever done. I've put no work into it at all. Most of the trades came at like 6:20, 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning. There's also some NY ones as well, actually, quite a lot of NY ones. So yeah, it was pretty good. Pretty nice to see. So it's good to have, especially when like last week when GG just fucking boring. So many nice gold trades last week. And yeah, 40 likes, mate. Let's try and get 100 likes before London Open. We'll see what we can get. We'll see what we can get.
Yeah, I was about to say that I entered the stream while it was not on. Yeah, on the waiting time, and
Yeah.
the music got me sleeping, so I had to leave it very, very fast. So I just left the like and left directly.
You're knackered. Love that. You're tired, boy. There's even a smaller one now. Everyone got their trend line on this one. Also another thing that I realized also on the sim was the steeper trend lines were a little bit more aggressive. So I didn't really like the steeper ones. I liked more of a relaxing, like a less steeper slope, which is good to see.
Yeah, what I like about that trend line that I have is if we do break on the 5, we'll be breaking structure on the 30 as well, which is good.
It's actually,
obviously for entry, I'll obviously go down now to the 5 for an untested area, etc., etc. Yo, Manuel, I'm just as exhausted, man. Jeez.
And talk shit, man.
Manuel spent all his gold profits on the weekend. Some stinking gold profits. Oof.
I fucking hate the weekends.
Dear.
Yeah, because they cost money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they cost money.
For sure. For sure.
Let's take a look to see if there's any more chart work yet. Nope. I was gonna give the magic keys out on Friday, but there was just no charts that were nice enough, man. I need to see some good work. People may just have magic keys now. Maybe I've got to upgrade.
Jason, should we go for another magic keys?
start collecting them.
start collecting and reselling.
Yeah.
that was an easy coup, eh, Brian?
That was the easiest one I've ever had in my life.
Yeah,
Max,
man.
you had no choice but to give it to us. Like, there was no competition. We made sure there's no competition whatsoever.
South Africans are winners, boy. That's it.
Listen, yeah, there was days I was so tired. My man, I'd mark up my chart. Boom, that's good. Even if I don't take a trade that day.
Yeah.
I do my analysis in the Discord, go to sleep.
Magic keys for the win.
Hey, today I'm using it, eh? Like my physical one is probably full of dust.
Really?
Yeah, I haven't touched my physical one either since I got that magic keys on screen.
Yeah.
On screen is just so easy, man.
Yeah.
Plus, you know what's the good thing? Like, I didn't have to change anything, man. I literally just click on the on-screen button, so all my parameters of my...
Yeah, it all pulled across.
Yeah, it's literally exactly the same. So
my issue with the handheld one would be that, like, if you're trying to click a button, you can't really see what you're doing because you're not looking at the screen. Whereas this one, I'm literally looking at the MT5 and my magic key. So when I press a button, I literally see instantly what it's done. Whereas like, if I'm looking down, yeah.
The downfall to the hardware is when the batteries start to go flat.
Yeah.
Like you push open calc and then it just freaks out. And all sorts of shit goes on your screen.
Nah, I've had these batteries in for a year and it's still fine.
Really? Wow,
yeah,
they must have some South African batteries. Just
must be cheap Chinese batteries, yeah.
Nah, so
I turn it off at the end of the, like, I only turn it on while I'm sitting here. I don't leave it on 24/7. But
the batteries have been here forever. Me. I'm not.
I just left it on.
Yeah. I don't remember that shit.
Okay, Scott. So that shows us you're not managing your trade, eh?
I mean, I'm managing. It's on while I'm sitting here the whole time. I just. But I don't know. I'm the opposite because I prefer. I can sit here and I'll have my thumb sitting on like stop loss at entry and my other thumb sitting on closed custom and it's like bang bang. So I just know exactly what I'm pressing instead of like, I don't know, I've got on screen as well, but I prefer to use the hardware one. Yeah. Anyway.
I did like the hardware, but since I got the on screen, I just thought it was so much easier.
Yeah. Yeah, because like I can have my thumb sitting on both buttons and it's like bang bang.
Yeah.
I also like the
I did enjoy using the hardware, that's for sure. I really did.
Does it have a nice click? Does it have a nice click to it?
It's nice to have it like a keyboard.
I love a mechanical keyboard one. I'm like clicking it.
What I like about the hardware is, like, for example, I will check the amount of poops. Obviously, it obviously shows on your screen, but I will check the amount of poops to the next zone. Like, I will do other things, man, with my cursor. And then I can just manage it with my physical magic key. That's the cool thing about it again. Whereas if I'm busy managing a trade, I can't do anything else because I need to click
Yeah.
Now, what if my mouse gives in and I need to manage it? What I need to SL to BE, then my mouse stop working like Max's mouse.
Oh, fuck that. Hell no. Hell no. See, I'm still waiting for this. For me, I don't know if the cells are going to be... Yeah, for me, I'm not going to be taking the 500 trendline cells, if I'm honest. It's right next to hourly support here and here. Hell no. Also, the 4 hour goes bullish. I'm still waiting for the buys, I think, for me, personally.
One thing that I noticed is that when gold comes to the trend line and it rejects the trend line, it pushes really hard from the trend line it is rejecting from.
Yeah. I really want that wick to touch that wick, which is annoying me. Let's have that now. I've got ring sting and it's really messing with my trading. Any advice? From Zinger Wings. Oh my god. He's got a fucking fiery ass right now. GJ's still doing fuck all as usual. Pour vinegar on a coffin, tap it. Oh my god. So yeah, 50-minute time frames are ranging pretty hard, so yeah. KFC manager, I'll ask my staff not to sell you Zinger Wings. Fuck's sake, it's a Monday morning. Does anyone have anything that they're looking at on GJ for maybe like buys? Anyone have anything? I can't.
I'm waiting for that range, mate, to crack.
Yeah. I agree. Especially with last week, I'm not playing with it if it does not clean. No point. No point. Oh, Goldie may be closing below. My only issue with it, which probably would have put me off in the sim, is that it's right there and there, so it has to close further below. Are you looking at this, Jace?
Yeah, so I have a zone 1723.97. So if we do close below retested, I will be looking at possible entries for sure. So that zone below, so just throw a zone over there. Yeah.
Like there?
Yes, there. That's the area. So I got a zone there. 1723.97.
So let's just see if this works right. I don't think it would though, because the support is right there. I don't really like that. But if it comes back and retests that wick, you'd probably put your stops. Also, I put my stops like when I was traded the trend line and the sims, I put my stops like above the area. So I'd put it like there, or yeah, I'd put it like I think above like there, all the wicks. That's what I would have done on the sim. So it wasn't just above the previous 5 minute. Even though, to be honest with you, they never really broke the previous 5, so you could just use that. We'll see.
Well, it shouldn't, right? Once you've got the breaker structure, it just needs a retest.
Yeah, exactly.
That's if you obviously with continuation, right? And you obviously got to go the right way.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah, boy. So yeah, we'll see. So yeah, just gonna wait a little longer over here for something to happen.
Really hard.
What
Gold is ranging in a weird way.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute and the 3 minutes, it looks really nasty.
Oh yeah, agreed. Look at GJ, man. Oh my god, I'm sick of this. I'm bored of it. I'm bored of it. The only thing clean this morning. What the fuck is this? The only thing clean this morning is that guy's ass when he starts wiping it. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. See this. Is this a chart? What the fuck?
We need Sachin back and send you back on holidays.
I've told you. I fucking literally told you. Trust me, I'm going on holiday end of August, so run up your lots in that week.
Oh, thank
Literally, the
God.
second I've been back, it's been wank. Oh my fucking God. Especially on GJ. Fucking hell.
What's up, Maxi boy?
Sup, Finny boy? How you doing?
Oh, not too bad. Yourself?
Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Quite excited to get back today, to be honest. I wanted to get back to it.
Yeah.
But when I seen the charts like this now, I wish I could just have another weekend off.
Doesn't look very promising right now, does it?
No. Oh, DC in the building. Hello, Mr. DC. DC, how boring has GJ been? My fucking God.
I heard a lot of people saying, like, CAD pairs move nicely at this time as well.
CAD?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Morning. Really?
Yeah.
Caddy. We'll have to just see. I just don't know what it's waiting for. Like, there's clearly something like that it's waiting for, because it's just not doing anything for like most of the day. GJ
Comes into the volume time and then it just starts going slower.
Yeah, it's just not doing anything. I do think very, very soon though, when we do break this daily wedge we've got. What's it called, a wedge? This one here, and I like this one here. When we start breaking this, which I think is going to be to the upside, to be honest with you, probably around here, we're going to get the pushes and start leaving the zones. But before we get to that, it's just fucking around.
It's trending bullish for a long time now, though.
Yeah, but yeah, it just hasn't broken it.
Gonna level out at some stage.
Yep.
Only other thing is too, early, if anyone was trying to buy above 300, 330, crashing straight into that, I landed daily flip.
Oh, is it? Okay, cheers. Yeah, it's like that, yeah.
So, just in case someone wants to get slapped early.
Yeah. Absolutely no way, Jose. Oh shit, just got rid of the music. Yeah, everyone wants to get slapped, not like they did get slapped last week on GJ, which I did. I'll put the music on. It wasn't like it was, huh?
Gold affect the trend line.
Yeah. Saw that. And there you go. So leaving that one, the reason why I left it was because what I saw in the sim was that if you're very close to supports, so can you see in the hourly, it's right there. Support is right there, which is like 2 pips away. Support is right there, which is literally right where the wick was. It's not worth it. It's also on the 5-minute riot support as well. Can you see?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's a good one to see and analyze. And I'm glad I didn't get into it. Come on, Goldie, let's fly. Yeah, man, I'm looking for the buys later on. Should be good.
No, it is a strong level where it rejected.
Do you have your trend line on this big one, Manuel, or do you have it on this smaller area like this?
I have both.
Yeah.
I have that one and I have that one. Yeah.
I think I like that one. Yeah.
Just because if it breaks one and it breaks above the other one, it just gives me a harder confluence and a better visual on it.
Yeah. Okay, GJ's coming up again. Looking useless as usual. Morning, oi oi. If GJ breaks this 162.966 level, it's gonna tank heavy to like 162 fast. Yeah, it's gotta close below first though. 163 is in the way as well, but yeah, 162.966. We'll have to see, man. Are they still voting for the MP and stuff? I think that's probably what might stall and then. Fucking if that Richie Sunak gets it, oh my god, I can't be arsed with him. He goes, I want to fix the country. You're literally the goon who fucking got us in this mess in the first place. You spent a bunch of money on a stupid COVID app which no one fucking used. Idiot. Looking like Goldie's found its support.
Now comes the monkeypox, which talking about as well.
Oh, fucking hell, I can give over. Even if that gave me like a 10% or 20% chance of dying, I'd still fucking tell them to piss off. I don't care. I'm not fucking sitting in my room for another 2 years, thank you very much.
Yeah, until they declare another lockdown, then you fucked.
Nah, man, it won't happen. I'll protest. I'll fucking bomb it. Someone needs to tell EJ it's Monday, it's time to get moving. Literally. What the fuck is this volume, man? Yeah, it isn't 8 o'clock yet. We've still got time. We've still got a bit of time. It should be okay. See what we can get. Jason probably took that. Ask him. Jason, did you take that gold sell or not?
Nope, I took the fake card retest.
No way.
That's
I'm
good.
getting the
That was sexy.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Did you get in there?
entry is actually I waited for the bullish candle to close, so I got in on the break of the bull candle high. So I waited for the bottom wick to form.
Did you not get
And then I
the?
got so my entry is 117.2483.
Yeah, fair.
Up like 6.
I would have got on that lower wick there. Oh.
I wanted to, but we could have just pushed back down. So hence why I waited for the rejection of it.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Sheesh. Trying to get some volume in this bitch. Very nice. Morning, brother. Morning, morning.
Very, very nice.
Oh, is this gonna get a closure? Issue is it be right next to the trend line.
What was your entry, Jason?
17.2483. I actually have two positions. One at 17.25 and one at 17.2483.
Yeah, I have an entry on gold at 17.24.44.
Mother sucker.
Yeah, because I watched the 1 minute and the 1 minute I had a support at 24.01 and it did not break, did not even touch it. So when the next 1 minute candle made bullish, I just entered stops below. So very, very small stops, like 3 pips or 4 pips.
Oh.
Yeah,
GJ
no,
looking
no,
like
no.
it's coming. Gold will probably fake everyone out and sell off because everyone's trying to buy it. So for me, it's got a closure. It actually already has retested the wick, but the stops okay in the wick. 13 pips actually isn't even that bad, to be honest. Let's look at the 30 and the 15. Yeah, we'll see what the score is. I do think that Goldie could continue, but I don't mind waiting a little bit higher up, to be honest, so we'll see. We'll see what we can do over here. Is GJ pushed up yet? Yeah, GJ's starting to push up now, which is good. But yeah, as we said, that zone is just going to be, I think, a little bit hard for us. So there was a little bit of an example there. I wanted it a little bit stronger. The reason why I wanted it a little bit stronger over here is because we were right at that res. But
Yes, babe.
that's okay.
I will now.
What's Jason talking to? So looking like gold is coming up over here, which is looking rather nice. Very, very nice. We'll see what we can get over here later on. The 4-hour time frame, look, it's about to flip, which is good to see. Looking like we are starting maybe the bullish trend over here, which is good to see. Let's take a look here. Much respect for the 1-minute trader. The noise is unbearable. I think for gold they like it. I think for gold it makes a lot of sense. It's just so much easier. I think GJ is quite hard on the lower time frames for the most part of it ranges, but gold's pretty nice where it taps and stuff. So yeah. We're in the thick of holiday season now. Yeah. Which means waiting the fuck allow. We have to wait a long time over here. So prices come down over here. We'll see what the score is. How long have we got left? We've still got 7:47. Yeah, I've still got quite a while left, so that's pretty good. Until London Open. So look at the 4-hour now. 4 hours pushing up. But yeah, really want GJ to start leaving these areas. I just want some clean zones, man. Like when I'm looking to the left, past week there's been not one clean zone. So I'm just waiting for some clean zones. Snipers here 1724.3. Oh my god, you guys got in early down here. Holy shit. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's move this over here. So yeah, not too long. 5 minutes reflipping now. Looking good. Maybe continue bullish over here. But yeah. Brian, where are you waiting for buys?
I already got in on that. From that range.
On the 5?
Yeah, on the 5, yeah. Because it was with the 4-hour and the daily, right?
This closure here?
Yes, because it's also closed above 250 as well.
Yeah.
So, like, if people be scared of the range, it was a bit risky. It could have come back down anyway again.
Yeah.
But I got my 10, so it's fine. It was a bit risky. That's only.
Yeah.
Just due to that range, how those candles were forming on the 5, would scare a lot of people.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. Looking good, looking good. 10 minutes left for London Open. Very nice. So now for me, this is a nice closure.
Oh, let's go, Goldie.
Go, Goldie. Go, go, go.
I got like 2 positions on gold. So I'm up like 336
Yeah,
points.
you could be good because now look, the 4 hours flipping. Oh, mate, this could be a stinker because if this continues.
Another 100.
Now Goldie closed on the 5 minutes. He closed above the other trend line that comes from the way from all the way from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just closed above it. So extra confidence that it's going up from me.
Yeah. Agreed. Looking good, looking
I
good.
have
I
two
might hold
positions
another
as well.
100. But I have a resistance at 1729, so that is my target.
Yeah, I think for me, if this is if I got in there, if that goes a little bit higher and I got in on this low wick on this thing here, my TP would be first one would be here because that's the daily flip. It's also resistance here and resistance there. So that's what I would have been looking for. So nice, look at this, man. It works so well, this fucking 5 minute, man. Lovely to see there. I think for me, I wanted it to just go a little bit higher, this res. But apart from that, very nice.
So Max, so this is one of the reasons why I looked at the 30, right? So just go on the 30 minute.
The 30 or the 15?
30. So my trend line is from the top, right? Like I mentioned. So if you check, we also have a little zone. Go to the 15. So my trend line is from the top. So when we broke above that range over there,
yeah.
so we got a retest, and that's basically when you go on the 5, it was also that fake out over there. So I was looking at all of that stuff at the same time.
For sure. I think another thing as well, and the reason why we've been trying to use this, guys, on YouTube, which I'm gonna go do a massive video on it for the Telegram this week, and I'm also gonna put a video on YouTube as well. But the reason why we also like it is, so like these boys actually got the fake out down here, but if you take a look at it on the basis now, right, you know fine well that if we break this 30 res here, 1728, you are going to have a stanker to 1734 for the rest of the day. And because your entry is all the way down here, you are in a very, very safe position, aren't you? You can get 40 pips to the resistance, and then you can close 80%, and then let your runner do the fucking 100 pips. Which is beautiful, right? So there you go. So that's a beautiful. I think for me, if this was a little bit bigger, like there, then came down, I would have taken a buy there, stop loss below, and there you go. You'll be seeing a lot more of these squad, I think, in the next couple weeks or so. And for example, in this example here, before when I was doing the Black Ted, I would be getting in on the break of the previous high, like there. Or on the flip, but for me now it's always a retest because your price is so much nicer. The amount of times I got less break evens for getting in on the lower wick, tapping the trend line was huge. Like I literally barely got any break evens, straight to TPs, which was good. So that's good for Ibsy and other people in here, so they don't take as many break evens. Sick of taking the break evens. Goldie coming back down. We have to come and retest first, but we've still got a long while until it gets to 1728. And because you guys got in there, oh, beautiful, very, very nice. Why is it called Black Ted? Because I think Ted's quite a goat on the gold, and we think that he does a lot of 5-minute zones, a lot of 5-minute breaks. He gets in early. We used to listen to him on stream, and we go, how the fuck is he already in? And then we looked, and it's the only way he could have got in was on the 5. And then we just call Jason as a joke the Black Ted, and he's the one who kind of came up with it. So AJ Max, ooh, AJ looks okay. Yep, 30 minutes closing bullish potentially. Stop loss below the previous would be 12 pips. That's not bad. How are the higher time frames looking? Daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Yeah, looks okay. Looks okay for sure. That was nice, boys. Well done for pointing that out after. Beautiful. Very nice. Looking like GJ's continued. Oh, you had a nice little runner here, Bri. GTP at 500.
Hey, boy.
Yeah, nice. Very good, very good. Very, very good. 57 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream up. Coming towards 8 o'clock for a Monday morning. We'll see what we can get. We'll see what we can get over here. So if you got in on the retest here, see if you can, if you'd be able to stay in. So your stop loss would have been 13 pips. TP, you've already got a 15, so nice. And that's pretty much the area you want to take some off, right? Why? Well, because of the fact we've got resistance to the body there. Also resistance there, so that's the place you're going to take positions off. Gold is very, very good, especially in the 5-minute for taking positions off. It isn't too hard to see where they go to, so it's less like 10 pips and more just when the next zone is. Why didn't they take the sell on the 5-minute breakout below for the Black Ted? Because the support was too close. Can you see here? So if you drew a line, let me just draw a line.
Yep, that's it.
It's right there. It's
so
not good.
You basically want a closure below that as well, because that is a barrier. Yeah. Like that is not rocket science.
Yeah. It's good though. It's a good question though. It's a good question. And also it was a 30-minute support. For me, I didn't like it because it was an hourly support. So before you jump into a 5-minute trend line, you don't just go in like wholeheartedly just because it's broken above a fucking trend line. You got to have a lot of confidences with it as well. Okay, so this one here, 50-minute closed above, broke this little trend line that's been holding. So you had a lot of confidences for the later one. And yeah, AJ potential buys. Yep, 3 minutes time. Potentially, I don't know if I want to trade AJ though, but we'll see. We'll see how the low wick is and etc. Right? Probably be a break even at the Asian high. Boom, 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 boom. And that's probably what we're gonna look for, man. Let's take a look. Does the Asian or low act as support and resistance? Like if you have your 50-minute resistance as a few pips from the Asian high, do you put your zone straight to the Asian high instead? It depends, man. It's kind of hard. It depends with the volume. So if it breaks Asian highs, then it's normally going to continue. If it fakes out an Asian high, it normally comes down quite quick, and that's called turtle soup. So when we talk about turtle soup, it's normally when we break Asian highs. So like for example, if we come and break Asian highs here, we then fake out and close back below. This normally drives quite hard because it's rejected the Asian highs. Yeah. Yeah. Stop loss is getting a little bit beefy on AJ, if I'm honest, 15 pips. But yeah, I'm going to quickly go to the toilet. It'll be 2 minutes, and then we can start London Open.
The only thing I maybe could look at AJ was a retest at that area.
AJ is so slow, man. I deleted it. I can't trade it. It's too slow for me.
Yeah. No, getting used to GJ and getting used to gold, and then you look to AJ, for example, and it's just, oh no.
I was waiting. When was it on Friday? I took a AJ sell. Yo, my man, horrible, horrendous. No way. Then
How long were you in the trade?
Excuse me?
How long were you in the trade?
More than 30 minutes, man.
No, AJ moves really slow.
Yeah,
it goes there, but it moves really slow. Also because it's not its second, so it's normal.
There was a period where it moved
as it
nice,
should.
man. There was a period where it did, but that's history, man. Yes, love? Okay.
Okay, EJ's opened. No bottom wick yet. How much would your stops be in the previous? Oh, 18 pips. Fuck me. Yeah, you have to wait for a lower wick. You're gonna have to wait for a lower wick over here, squad. GJ's closed. Bullish. Very nice. So yeah, I'm not taking any of this crap though. I mean, if it makes a low wick and breaks the high, you could potentially go for it, but nothing's closed above anything, right? So you'd be just hoping that it pushes. Pretty much. Yeah, we'll see how it reacts to this trend line again. Now it's actually tapped it. We'll see the score. But we may have a new one over here we made. And that one might go a little bit better with the other one, so yeah. Let's take a look. Gold fake out back to the range. Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 kind of dojied it when it nearly touched the daily flip. I agree. 30-minute time frame closed bullish. Got no top wick yet. So, and GJ's gone.
EJ's gone, boy.
EJ. Oh,
GJ.
Yeah. You could be good for the runners now, eh?
I'm already good, boy.
He's already eaten. Stop loss to break even, I'd say here. Stop loss to break even if you got in on the flip there. I think if I took that trade for me there personally, and I lost it, it'd be very impulsive, right? Just because it has a bullish engulfing, it should continue, but the zone to the left is whack. Have you actually got anything yet? Oh, you haven't. Oh, straight break even. Off.
That's where I hate to enter on GJ. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll rather take the risk. I'll rather take the risk here than here. Always.
Yeah. For sure. Agreed.
Let's go, goalie.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Took another entry when it retested the trend line.
Oh
course.
my god, Manuel.
Of course.
So did Mike.
So
So
did
did Mike. I like it. Love you. But was it retesting the trend line here? Did you
Anyone
not-
get the untested? Anyone get the untested?
What, there?
Yeah.
I think that's where Manuel got his second entry.
Yeah,
His second. He's probably on his sixth one now, but
No, it's only my third.
is it just me or my MT5 stopped working Blueberry Markets? Oh shit. Mine is fine. I think a lot of people are on Blueberry Markets now because 0 commissions on gold is probably pretty good. Max today, why you put the shirt on? Because it's quite chill now. It's not as bad. It's not as hot. Touch wood, because I really cannot be arsed for a hot day again. I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely no way, Jose. Yeah, look at GJ again. Wow, well done. Oh man, imagine trading GJ last week and you take this trade and you just hit break even again. You're like, oh, man, you know what? Sack this off.
Starting like that.
Oh my god. But that's what happens, right? Didn't close anything above anything, so that's that's the risk you got to take. It's not a closure. It's not going to be looking too good, right? Yeah, my blue market's frozen as well. Oh shit. Blueberry markets, very nice. Blueberry markets. I think that's quite a good name for a broker. I quite like it. What would I call my broker? Something about depositing on a Monday. Whoa, what the fuck is this? There's a button on this mouse there. Whoa, this is sick. That's sick. I like
Deposit
that.
on a Monday. God damn.
I'm on deposit on a Monday, broker.
Shit. I think we must open a brokerage. The gulag will make us rich.
Oh nah, launching a broker looks kind of hard. I'd rather do a funded one. Funding looks like a piece of piss. A broker is much harder. A funded thing is a piece of piss, man. When you listen to Ted talk about it, you don't need need much of an upfront because you get the money straight away because everyone fails instantly. There's not much upfront cost. The business model is scarily good, but it's just a bit. Ooh. Big balls market, yes, big balls market. That's a good one. Sweaty ball markets, that's another good one. Sweaty ball broker, that'd be great. Oh, look at EJ. Fuck me. AJ, let's take a look. Did AJ do it? Did it get 10 pips? Nope. So yeah, shock. The JPY pairs are still wank. They're still so bad. I'm letting them sort itself out, right? I'm just gonna focus on gold, me. So yeah, that fake out was very nice. Looking at it now, oh my god, very nice, boys. You guys are on the ball. I like it.
That's why I said there's only 1 or 2 charting patterns I trade, right? Mm-hmm. And fake outs is one of them. Double bottoms is one, and double tops is the other, and then inverse head and shoulders because they reprint so often.
Yeah.
And fake outs are. That's what ruined a lot of people last week.
Yeah, for sure. For
I don't miss out on a fake out, eh?
So I just gotta wait for disclosure. But yeah, like when I did that the sim, like the early trades are so nice. Roger says, July so far been a rocky month, but somehow made it to this far. Super blessed. Wow. So I wonder. So he's up 182,000, but I wonder how many actual trades have really contributed towards that. So if he makes like 50, 60 grand on the big ones, he's only got 3 like winning trades, but that's all he needs, right? Just like two or three 60-pip moves that he holds full, and he's done for the week, for the month. Very nice. Go Goldie, go go go. So now I'm looking interested if we get a closure. I think. Let's look at the 15. I'll close that res though. We'll see. We'll see. How do you spot a fake out? There's a lot of ways. I mean, normally for me, when GJ was moving quite nice, I didn't really get many fake outs because I waited for the top wicks, and only the top wick when it rejects, it's definitely going to blast in the zone. So that's the one thing that I avoided top wicks with. Sorry, flake outs. Is it waiting for the top wicks and the bottom wicks of the new candle? July, so much ranging. Yeah, I agree. July has been, well, apart from the week I was on holiday, I had a nice, beautiful trading week that on holiday. But yeah, it's been very rangy. I agree. I'm still surprised you took that GJ one down there, Brian.
Why? It's not my normal trade I look for.
Look at the look at the 5 minute.
Don't worry about that. I understand you're gonna say worry about that.
Was it just a 15
right?
closure? I don't know what your confirmation was.
So you've got this, you've got that, you've got closing above 250, you've got a double bottom, you've got an engulfing candle, and this previous candle was 9 pips.
Yeah. But didn't
I know what you're gonna say.
Why didn't you enter that one then?
Because I want more of a confirmation. I understand that's a fake out, right?
Yeah.
That can also be a fake out. Actually, not really, but some people might now start seeing it as a fake out, right? So I'm not going to take that, okay?
Yeah.
Then we get another confirmation. The price comes all the way down, forms another support. So when you're trading a trending market, you're gonna sell resistances and buy supports, right? So if we're forming a support, we're going to get another support. I'm going to wait for my candle confirmation. Remember, lower highs, higher lows are supports and resistances.
Very nice. How about AJ? Looking like AJ's continuing now, but it's been struggling a little bit, if I'm honest. And I did make a low wick first anyway, so for people in it, I hope it goes well. Goldie hasn't closed above yet.
Like I feel exactly like it's difficult to explain. It's definitely a risk that you are taking. Like at times, I take that risk, man, and I manage it. Like I have no issue with closing a position immediately, and with the next person it will obviously be different, so obviously because you're so accustomed to seeing certain things and taking it, I see this happening and you're in, so it's difficult to
I have confluences for that. Quick confluences for that, where like we said earlier, taking the high is only one confluence. It's just the wick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's why I love to get in lower. So it's just I tick a few boxes faster than just waiting for a big push and then a wick. That's the only thing that I got to deal with.
Yeah, for sure. Gold can give good buys. Yep, can in a sec when we get a closure, for sure. What about AJ? Little cowboy, but great explained. Oh, it's just the way Brian trades is very, very nice in 5 minutes. And he loves to support formings. Gets in nicely. He gets in nicely. Oh, GJ. No. AJ, no, no, no. My days. Hell to the no. Let's take a look at the 30-minute now. So looking good. Haven't broken the high of the previous step, but it's looking good, man. If you can break past that hourly res, oh my god. Could be rather nice.
I actually, like, I was looking at GJ on the 5 as well. And like usually I would take the setup. But I don't know if you remember, we had a conversation once, Max, where you told me, no, but why would you take it there? So just go on GJ5. So obviously I had my resistance over there where you have yours, like 163. Then price failed to close above. So with that rejection, I would have gotten in on the break of the low because my stop loss is 10 pips in the next zone. Do you see that? So I would have taken that trade if you didn't enlighten me, because there is times where we do reject, but then price goes back. Remember, I held drawdown. Do you remember?
Yeah, I remember now.
Can recall when we had a conversation. So I held bloody 9 pip drawdown. Obviously, my stops at 10, but then we rinsed, and this is why I take it, man. And you can see now how price pushes.
Oh yeah.
So yes, waiting for another confirmation. Is safe. Dry balls, yes, for sure. But yeah, when it pushes like this, it's nice, man.
Sure. 5-minute traffic overpower for scalping. Use it all the time for entries. Yeah, for sure. Well, that's what we've been looking at, man. It just works nicely, especially for Goldie, because it's got so much volume. It's nice. GJ buys was off a demand zone more than one recent support, same place, a do or die zone, either closes below and continues daily or respects. Yeah, it was a big hourly support, wasn't it? Weak bearish candle to close, and the next break of structure highs. Also had 6 straight 4-hour bear closure and a weak one. Yeah, exactly. Beautiful, man. Good discussions today. I like. I wonder how Sashan's doing in Croatia. He sent me some videos of him partying. He's loving the partying.
Been seeing his Instagram. He's been a lot of partying.
Yeah.
Big ever party.
Big what? ABBA party?
ABBA party.
Yeah, man. Good shit. GJ forming symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour. What the fuck? A symmetrical triangle. I just think GJ isn't arranged. I think. 5-minute didn't close above, so we'll have to wait again. This will be interesting to see how it reacts at this level. We'll see. The only cause of concern for buyers here, and I want to have some discussion here with Manuel and Jace, is that we are close to the hourly res. So I'd kind of want it a little bit higher. We'll see.
Yeah, like for me, structure is structure. Eh?
Exactly.
And once we break it, we're going. So if you look at your higher time frame, what does the 4 hours say? What does the hourly say? What are we doing right now?
Making the low wick of the daily.
Exactly.
4-hour making support.
Break and retest. 4-hour break and retest.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is just a trade that I'll hold. If it does hit my break even, I'm cool with that. I've taken my partials off. This position is basically running risk free. I've taken off what I had to take off. So everything I get out of this trade is just a bonus for me.
Yeah. For sure.
Yeah, because if you have a nice entry in the morning, and what gold usually does is it has a direction, and usually it takes the direction in the morning and then just follows to the rest of the day. And if you have a nice entry with stops at break even, it just runs and you get 100 pips. Easy.
Morning, guys.
Morning. Good morning. Let's take a look at GJ now. Oh my god! I said it was just up there about 30 seconds ago. Oh my god! Mate, people have been clotted on GJ again this morning. Oh my days. Someone I know for a fact, someone tried to hold on them buys and didn't put stop us a break even there. Oh, they just got slaughtered. Madness. To look at EJ as well. Yeah, I'm not touching EJ until it's like down here. Is Roche in the building?
I haven't seen his name pop up yet.
Roshi boy. So this is good. I'm liking this because this gives you the confirmation that this trend is holding. So when we do get the closure, we should be goody. And I just always add it to the next like wick. So before it was there, now it's here. Just hold it until it breaks, and we'll be good. Let's take a look at the 15 on Goldie. Yeah, 15 is close bullish. It's got 12 minutes left. Still got a lot of time. This could be making the low wick. However, it is pushing down quite hard, right? But makes sense, right? Because it's just in a little trend. EJ News at 10 is there? And, oh yeah, at 9. Nice. Do you see AJ as a good pair to trade in London session since both countries are closed? Yeah, it's a little bit slow, I'd say. I'd say it's slow overall. Sometimes has like nice big moves, but for the most part, it's just a little bit slow. Who took this trade? I know some people did. Did you get 10 pips? Nope. Yeah. EJ pushing down. Nice. Like a GJ pushing down. Interesting. Sells below 163 would be probably the best.
Yeah, these GJ sales could be good.
Yeah.
Got a huge imbalance on the left side on the H1 and a demand.
And now it's came back, it's retested the previous resistance, rejected. So this may give it the volume to continue down. So let's take a look at targets for the sells maybe later on. And the way we do that is we look to the left. Unfortunately, price has been fucking garbage. So the zones aren't the cleanest, I'd say. I'd say probably going down to 162.850, like around those areas here would be okay. However, to the left hand side, like where we're looking for sells, this is right where support is as well. So it kind of sucks, to be honest, on that front. But it's just good because the way GJ's been printing has been so horrible. I think the next one's probably going to be here. And yeah, that's the zones. Up 20 pips in GJ, stop loss at break even, entry at 163.463. Let's take a look. 463. Oh wow. How did you get in there? 463. I see GU and GJ selling off. That's all. Everything pointed to what downwards. Hopefully it breaks out hard and fast. Doesn't range all London. That would be a piss take. Well, it's been ranging for like the whole week, so it wouldn't surprise me if it was another, another day. Another day of just straight range. But as long as you're not losing money in them, then it doesn't matter, right? As I said, if we're on simulation session and we saw GJ looking like this, I'd just be trigger fingering the next 15-30 minute candles until one came nice. So yeah. I really want this Goldie to continue, but maybe it may happen later on. We'll see. It may happen later on. We still got a lot of time though, still only 20 minutes past 8, which is good to see. Yeah, AJ might close below. Interesting. The only issue is the 4 hour is very, very bullish. The daily is as well still. But it could fill the zone up. GJ's tapped the daily in the 4 hour and retraced a little bit. Yeah, so I think this is just goat shit, right? So let's just call it goat shit. I used to love it when Raja did this. Goat shit. Yeah. Not playing with it. Drop a like squad. Yeah, I was trying to get 100 likes. Oh, 313 people in here already. Amazing work. Amazing. Why are the buys risky above that? Because the zone isn't really the nicest. If you take a look on the 15. Look, like all you got to look at is what happened to the candles to the left hand side. Okay, so look at this candle. So this candle came up, it rejected there. This candle came up a little bit, rejected again. These candles rejected, then it pushed back up. So you know the zone is big enough, right? It's 25 pips or so, but the way price moved in the area was pretty garbage. So it isn't looking too nice. Whereas if you get a closure above here, you get a nice clean candle to at least there, which is 15 pips, and then higher up you've got until 31 pips. It's much cleaner. It means that price will move nice in that area. It'll move straight and quick and beautiful. Oh, looking like gold's getting a bit of volume over here. Holy shit. Let's look at the market watch.
GJ might fly.
Yeah, I think there's some news coming in over here. I'm looking at my MetaTrader and it's looking a little bit. Look at this. Oh.
Yeah, gold is up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down.
Yeah, something's definitely coming out. Look at the charts. Look at the market orders are just a bit. Look at gold. I like how they're keeping gold spreads fixed, which is nice. I've seen them do that recently quite a lot.
You see that trend line that you have, Maxi?
Yeah.
I have it extended all the way to a wick, which is at 1734. It is this week.
1734.
83 all the way. Yeah. No. That. No. A little bit. Yeah. That one.
Yeah. You saw that one. So you'd say it's a little bit more diagonally like this. Well,
and if we now close above this trend line, stops would be around 15 pips, 14 pips. Now it is 13 pips, 14 pips at the moment.
Yeah. I'll get in on the retesting the trend line, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, it's looking good. So the buy limit would be like near 1727 point. Like
yeah, retest on that area.
3. Yeah. And where would we target? For me, we'd target like here. And then furthermore, we could continue bullish. 1731. So, getting a closure over here.
Very nice.
Very good, very nice. 1727.13 is where I'd enter. Stop loss below. So yeah, I got a sell limit here. Right around here.
Buy limit.
Sorry, a buy limit, yeah. And we do know that we could just run off, but that's my entry that I want, right? So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we can come to there. Boy! So yeah, is this finished? 1 second. I'll do this one. There we go. Did you contact IC Markets? Wait, do you connect IC Markets with the TV? Well, I just have it on my monitor. I'm not on a TV. This is just my computer setup.
I think it means trading view.
Oh, no. It's separate. Separate. And maybe using this daily flip as a support. So yeah, we'll see. GJ is solidifying this goat shit area. EJ, what the fuck?
Solidifying. Literally just confirming that shit.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
2 minutes 48 seconds left for this 5. And we'll see. I have a feeling this may go without me. Take a look. Will you still enter now if it's made a top wick first? Yeah. I'm not too asked. It's mainly the line. And the stop is beautiful. I'm happy with the stop as well. Why is Euro spiking so hard? I don't know. There's news coming in 30 minutes for it. The first thing. All markets are preparing for a recession. Yeah, for sure. I think that's about right. That's probably what they're looking for, man. They're just looking for any hints, because all of the governments and stuff are still they're still all saying that it's not going to be a recession, which is just, you know, completely false.
You just need to ready our cannons for it.
Yeah.
Agora eu não posso. Agora eu não posso.
Oh my god.
So glad it's all yours. You can have it.
Brian did it for too long. Okay, so this 5 minutes is going to close right now. In 50 seconds time. Yeah, let's take a look over here. Is that the 15 closure as well? Yeah. I'm still happy with this. You, Manuel?
Yep. Yep. There's a closure above the trend line, so
Yeah.
just want to retest on it.
What I literally looked at on the sims is that the only thing that didn't work is that really is if it closed below the trend line again, then
Yeah.
you're fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah. So may have missed this one by like a couple pips, but that's okay. That's the whole
Yeah,
point of
this
it.
might just move.
Yeah. Yes, sirree.
Yeah, I think gold is gone, man, because
Yeah.
we've engulfed that range to the left.
Mhm.
So if you check to the left, that the resistance, no, go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. So that resistance, you see that bearish wick.
Yeah.
So we basically retested that little range over there. Let me just draw it for you. House.
Goldie actually gave you the retest on
I know it
the on
did.
this 5-minute
I
candle.
just realized.
Yeah, on the wicks. It retested the fucking wicks.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not the trend line, but just the.
No,
Previous
not the
channel.
trend. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I'm still happy to get in over here if we come to it. Because this is the 15-minute make in the lower wick. Why has my buy limit just not got activated yet? What the fuck?
Red.
My spread's 20.
What the fuck? Spreads of 20?
MFF.
Oh fuck! I didn't know the spreads of 20. That's put me off a little bit, to be honest.
2 pips, not 20.
Yeah,
20
2
points.
Pips, 2 pips is a little bit cheaper
Yeah.
still. Okay, so I'm gonna trade over here. Stop loss is pretty happy with it as well, and we'll see. This is the 50-minute make in the lower wick, retesting the trend line. We're up 4 pips anyway, which is good to see.
Shee.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Light work.
In it, you got hit, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so really should we be breaking our low right now? I don't think so. I think very shortly we should go break even. Yeah, I'm going break even now, guys. Up 8 pips. Stop loss to break even. Let's see if we can get this drive. Breaks the high. So risk-free trade now.
Lovely, Max. Lovely.
Gang shit, boy! 5-minute trend line, stop playing over me! fuck GJ, fuck GJ, fuck GJ.
You,
I'm
man.
sick
Fuck
of you.
you.
I'm
GJ's
sick
the
of
fucking
GJ,
best.
you fucking piece of shit.
Don't swear like that to this pair.
GJ,
Pair's
piece of
paid
shit.
a lot. That pair's bought all your PCs and shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Don't worry, Max. I was the same.
Fuck GJ, piece of shit.
It's fine. I'll take all of it. You guys can have this. But I'm working on gold too. Don't you worry. I'm working.
I know you will be.
Come in here with fucking screenshots of GJ, EJ, gold yokes are gonna cry.
You hit 10 already, Max?
No, I'm at 8.
Okay. Lovely rejection week that.
Yeah, and exactly. I'm not asked if this hits break even. You know, I'm happy. I got into a trade. I was in 0 drawdown, pretty much the whole thing, and I was at pretty much break even in the first minute. So, and if this continues, we're gonna go over here.
The best feeling, being break even in the first minute. I love it.
So like, if this hits my break even, I'm really not asked. Like, we've got a nice opportunity. I really think you should flip this candle and continue bullish.
The 30-minute was pretty good closure.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm like, I'm still keeping this fucking trend line break on because it still looks pretty good. When you take this trade, bro, come on. I fucking live streamed it. I literally had a buy limit on.
Been talking about it for I don't know how long.
Yeah, I've been talking about it for about a fucking
last half an hour. I'm tired of gold already just listening to this shit.
Yeah.
I said to Jason, I can't let him have all these gold trades. Work hard on it. I'm gonna work hard on it, boy.
Yeah, boy. Looking like it's coming down. We get a little break even over here, but I gave it opportunity. I still think it's gonna go eventually. Just
Max, did you? I don't think you told everyone to go stop loss to BE on the.
Oh shit! Yeah, you're right. Fucking hell. Cheers, Finny boy.
And yet again, the signals plays out.
Signal plays out. Yeah.
No, I'm still in.
Taking all the signals.
I'm still in. You guys still not in?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not in. Got break even.
You got break even. I got in.
Yeah, we all got BE, bros.
Now I got in 17.2699. So maybe I got slipped then.
Yeah, I got slipped as well.
Yeah, because I thought why isn't it activating me yet? So maybe you guys didn't get slipped and I did. And now it's gonna pay off.
Scott, we're gonna start taking all the signals, mate.
Yeah, man, just don't turn
Signals
up.
are pumping.
Just
Signals
don't turn
are
up.
pumping.
5 minute goes bearish. Can't break that high. I'm gonna be fucking balls deep.
This looks good for break and retest. Support forming, right? If the
Yep.
support holds, it's fucking move to the highs.
Yeah, boy.
That's what I want.
That's what I want. That's what I want.
Jason, tell everyone what happened to you on Friday. What paper you had to sign.
Yes, I signed a warning on Friday.
You said a what? A wedding?
A warning.
Oh, warning.
His boss caught him on a Zoom call.
No way.
Listen, eyes locked on my MetaTrader balance.
Oh my god, it's hilarious. Okay, guys, so I'm coming towards 13 pips over here. So I am gonna close very, very shortly. Yeah. Very nice. Coming towards this resistance. I'm gonna close them now over here. So beautiful. There we go. TP1 hit. Very, very nice.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Jesus
Tasty. Tasty.
Goldie.
Goldie. Fucking launch.
Oh.
Manuel fucking, I swear Manuel, since he's been like having this gold 5 minute trend line, all he's been taking is fucking dubs every single day. Just fucking
Him and Jason,
straight
tiring.
dubs every single day.
Tiring.
Like, oh man, like you've taken like 4 trades there and won every single one of them.
Yeah, I was gonna say that I took 4 trades. I've taken now 70 pips in total.
Beautiful. Well done, guys. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. For
So
people who
now
got
they're
stopped
on
out,
your side.
maybe my spreads, because like, look, I'm definitely like, I'll show you here. So yeah, I think maybe the slippage actually helped me a little bit. But anyway, can't do anything about that, right? Beautiful Goldie trade over here, caught about 20 pips there. Very, very nice. Let's go. Yep.
And if you look to the left on the 30, the rejection area. So could have some.
I don't know, man. I think this is gonna be a rocket, bro. I'm telling you.
How many people got BE there?
I think a lot of people got it.
But you got to
I
ask
think
the question:
everyone
how
on
many people
funded
got EE on funded accounts?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm on
Yeah.
MFF. I don't get B.
He didn't get B. He was on MFF. Shit.
My buy
lucky
limit
boy.
got That's a good thing about limits. Like if they activate, they could activate like lower than what you
Yeah,
initially
that's
anticipate.
That's true. Well, that's what mine did, because my thing was set for exactly the signal, and I got put in at 1726.99.
Yeah.
That's you got slipped the other way.
Yeah. So like, that's why I'm saying, yeah.
Fuck, that's beautiful. That's annoying as fuck.
That's okay. Trust me, Finn. Don't worry about it. There's going to be multiple 5-minute entries you're going to be getting.
Five minute trades are hundreds a day.
Yeah, there's like fucking 4 or 5 a day.
Alright, I just need 1 more % to pass.
No way, nice. He's got a nice little 20 pip stinker on Goldie over here, guys. And I know a lot of people probably in the stream were like, what the fuck is this? So that's why I'm going to go through a video of this, but this is what we've been working on for a while now, so. And I'm sick of fucking Manuel and Jason taking trades when I'm staring at GJ all fucking day.
Sick was thinking that 100%.
That's irritating, eh, Max?
Yeah, it's getting irritating when I have to fucking wait for GJ and I get absolutely
Every
slapped.
time Jason sends me a gold picture, then I just send him a GJ one.
Listen, Max roasted me on this goal, I remember. It was a month back.
It's your turn now, Chase. It's your turn.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna do the same thing.
Well, it's because I was getting it on the fucking break of the highs and not the retests. So the good thing he's near here now is that because we got in there, man, we've got all this room to fuck around with, so we could be okay to maybe I'll run it to stay on over here.
But also, you can see we look at many things, man. We look at different time frame, supports, resistance, rejections, fake outs, closures. We look at everything. You know, it's not just one thing like 5-minute trend break. No. So you still need to build that case before you take Goldie to the butcher and slaughter it.
Slaughter. Okay, so yeah, 30 minutes still okay. I still think this is going to continue, but you know, is our trade going to stay on? I don't know. It's got a good rejection wick, and we got in right at the retest, so you know we should theoretically be okay. But we also know that this is resistance, right? And this is why our first TP was here. Okay. Looking at the simulations that we did for this, it was always to the left-hand side. If there's a traffic on the left-hand side for the 5-minute, that's the perfect place to take positions off.
That's 4 hour raise as well, man. 1729. 4 hour raise.
Fucking, I closed 80% there at 20 pips. Fucking well happy with that. And how big was our stops? Not 20 pips, sorry. I think it was 17, yeah. Stops were 10 or 12. Oh, how tasty is that? Very good, very nice.
So I do think if gold does stay above this level, I think 1746 is a nice target.
Yeah, I agree. Got it at 1727.05. Nice. And she said, and they said that they didn't get stopped out. Nice. I think it's just your broker, man. Some people were lucky, some people weren't. But hey ho. Oh, my runner was in. Come on, stay in. Oh, wick back up, wick back up, wick back up.
Not from that rejection and double top. Forget it. Forget it.
Forget about it.
But not that hopeful.
Yeah. Forget about it. What percentage did you close? I closed 80%, and I closed it a little bit higher up. After I said TP1 hit, it ran like for the 50 pips. Not 15 pips, the 5 pips or so. And my runner got caught out. Nice. So yeah, let's take a look at GJ. GJ is just doing his own thing. Set my chart in the Discord, Max. We'll take a look at that. Damn, this stream has gone so bad, turned into a weird hype show. Yeah, Sam, we just have a bit of fun. I know it's you know, not boring.
It's horrible to see people having fun.
Yeah.
Bad for the world.
Yeah. Right, let's take a look at Discord.
I woke up the entire family in the house. I don't give a shit. I'm a fucking chicken.
Paper trade of both. Okay, this is nice, right? So this is the 5 minute. Okay, so lower created, then a higher low created, and flipping daily in the 4 hour. Stop loss was here before. Okay, sorry. Bullish candle engulfing the whole range. Entry on the flip. Stop loss was here for the break even. Beautiful. This is nice, beautiful, detailed, and this explains, you know, Brian's trade as well. Very, very nice. Beautiful. This is what I want, man. This is showing me exactly where you got in, where you got out. I think for now, put in a losing trade as well, and you'll be there for the magic keys as well. 5 minute trend line. Entry on the retest of the trend line. Stop loss was here. Okay, yeah, nice. You have your stop loss a little bit further down. TP on the resistance bit more than 1-1. Beautiful, man. Amazing work. And as long as a candle doesn't close below the trend line, you're good, man. Yeah. Very nice. Well done, well done. Here's another chart. Okay, this is GU on the 30-minute time frame. Resistance formed, rejection. Right. Whoever's moving around. There is someone. Rejection of the resistance with 30-minute engulfing. Also closed below minor support. Very, very nice. Make a little top work flip and entered with the break of the low. Okay. My only issue for it would be this to the left-hand side. That would be, you know, you're selling right at the support. So that's probably would have put me off. But, I mean, it worked nicely. I think your stop loss should be on that current candle high, nothing any higher. Because if it breaks that current candle high, the probability of you making this trade is so low. There's no point in wasting your gains there. Like, there's no point. You're gonna get slapped out. Is there a Magic Keys contest? Yeah, I just said if anyone wants Magic Keys, send me some good detailed charts, and I'll give it to someone who makes the best one. Stop loss above the resistance, 12 pips. TP1 previous support, 18 pips. Took 80% here, and now a break even. Very nice. Worked out beautifully. My only thing would be this. It was a little bit scary, but worked out beautifully. I have to look at the higher time frames and stuff, but very nice. Gold took a dive. Let's take a look. Goldie. Yeah, man. So look, can you see now it's closed back in the trend line? So yeah, this is invalidated now. But for me, I don't care, right? Because we've done the move. The move was to these highs, and we got that. So very nice.
That's also soup. Look at the Asian highs, right?
Yeah. Yeah, someone actually said that in the chat.
Yeah. Oh, good stuff.
That's good. Yeah, someone paid attention. Where was it? Turtle suit played out of a gold. Oh, it was Alex. Yeah, exactly. Swooped the highs, and now may just continue down over here. Interesting. And now it's got its little ranges playing in, right? GJ, I mean, I'm bored of even looking at it. But I have to send a chart that I made today, or whatever is fine. Whatever. I want to see people sending me losing charts as well, to be honest with you. Bryson, no, I'm just having a good time, man. I'm just having a good time with my job. I love it. Because why do you celebrate so much when you win? Because it's fun. Let's take a look over here. Do you use the same risk on the 5-minute trade and breakout on gold? Yeah, on gold is just half risk anyway. Yeah. At the moment, but I'm not gonna lie. The more we do this, I'll happily do full risk because that was only 12 pip stops anyway. So let's work out the maths of that trade. So if you got in there, where we got in, took positions off like there, so 16 pips. Stop loss was 10. So TP2 was already 1 to 1.6 risk to reward, and then your winner can do whatever it wants, right? So that would have been like 1.6%.
Yeah. So what I've done with gold is I will at times, if the setup is good enough, I will go in full risk. Then at 10 pips I will close off. Then it's as if I've
Had half risk.
done
Yeah,
half
that's
of
true.
this trade. So then I already gained my 10 percentage on that trade. Now I will take off more as price moves, etc., depending on the zones. And it's such a lovely feeling. It enhances the confidence in taking the next trade, honestly. But you shouldn't get greedy at the end of the day.
Yeah.
That's the other thing. You can, like, gold can chow you at the same time.
Also, yeah. Also, what I realized for me is that when this move was done, I don't look at anything else until like later on. Now, that's for me now. This is a little bit of a range, so I just left it unless it maybe breaks like these lows, like there, all the way down here. Like, there's nothing really for me. So yeah. Have you found any other entries, Brian? Are you with your little shitty GJ pair?
Yeah. Fucking shit on your fucking pillowcase, mate. I've been playing with my gold chart again.
Oh, he has. Come to the dark side of the force. Can gold bounce now on the bottom of the trend line that you made, or has the trend changed now to a downtrend? Well, the issue you have now is, yeah, that's the move being completed, right? But it still can bounce off it. It can still bounce off the trend line. But for me, you know, taking the buys here after it's just rejected the highs, which is where TP was, is done now. So, yeah. You got to wait
I
later
don't want it to happen because that's where my break even is.
Shitty GJ trades. Oh.
Brian's getting offended. I love that. 89 likes, amazing work today. So yeah, nice little trade for the Monday morning. GJ buy entry at 163.243 plus 20 pips up. Oh, nice. You got it low. Okay, so 15-minute mid support, made a little lower wick. Let's see if we can break it this time. As I said, I'm still not playing with GJ in this fucking shit-ass area. Look at AJ.
GJ's made for real traders.
Yeah, fuck that. I'd rather be a pussy and take 100 pip gold trades.
Shut up.
I love that. How much are you up on that runner down there, Jace? Oh, 43, 44 pips? Fuck.
Yeah, I was up 44 pips. So I just closed up. Well, like my rally is still, I'm still up like 8 pips. So.
But do you see what I mean with that? Like, if I had to look at all the entries, that entry is the one you could hold on, right? Not this one, not this one. Like, that is the one because you're so low and it's gonna come to this high. So that's one where, like, as time goes on, we can yeah. That's as time goes on when we start doing this, you know, more often. You could hold it on maybe a little longer over here.
Yeah, you actually made me a bit more comfortable with that holding it longer, you know.
Yeah.
So what I just did was I closed enough of my position, and I'm okay with the runner now going. You know, I'm okay. Like, I don't need to worry about it because I'm not going to be taking a loss or whatever. So whatever gains there is, it's fine. But this is just now my way of now working on holding it longer. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Ooh, Lewis said nice 1.5% for me, Max. Me on that gold. Nice. Well done. Lewis says he got to slip backwards. Yeah, I think a lot of us got to slip backwards then. Oh, it's a shame Finney got fucking put out. Did you as well, Scott? Bit annoying. What can you do, I suppose?
Sorry, I missed that. I just heard.
Did you get tapped down that goal, or did you take it, or did you just watch?
No, I didn't end up taking it in the end, but
yeah.
Felt like it came pretty close.
Yeah. Nice. Especially if
like
you haven't,
if
you haven't
get
done
slipped
anything
in the right direction that you did, you probably would have been. Yeah.
Yeah.
But good job.
Are you looking to sell gold with a break below the 5-minute trend line? Below, I mean, yeah, if it gets to it, but I don't think it's there yet. Right? It's got a while, right? And they're still cautious about this big support at 1724. So, but yeah, maybe later on we'll see. We'll see. Oh God, EJ, my eyes are burning. Oh my God. This trend though has got to break. Do you think it's gonna go up, right? I think GJ's gonna break upwards from here.
Yeah, and that's obviously what I mean. I've been watching that descending trend line since like Tuesday, Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
But then you've also got an ascending, so we're in this lovely, beautiful daily wedge.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do think we're gonna see more upside for sure.
Yeah.
I actually want a nice low entry. I don't want to get in when we close above or below. I want to get inside of that wedge and either ride it up or sell it down.
That's for the professionals, boy.
Are you looking at these buys above?
There's a nice salary play as well. Go back.
Yeah, on the 30. Are you looking at taking in the here, Bri, or waiting above?
I'd go above there because you don't know that's a rejection area. That's zone that you've got.
750 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it'll be much nicer above. Very nice. Very nice.
And then there's space to run to 174, right? If you get the confirmation.
Yeah.
So.
Sean Abraham, 2 trades, 6% up this month. Oh, nice. Well done. Well done. Well done. Very nice.
Max, what do you think of my gold forecast?
Oh, did you put it in the chat? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Ooh. Good. To come back to 1723 first.
1722, yeah, around that area.
Yeah. It's an untested area there, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh,
do
and
you call that an imbalance? Yeah.
Because you see our price impulsively pushed and hasn't been tested.
Yeah. Alright, so that's basically what we call a untested area.
It's like NAS.
It's like the clean candles.
Areas.
Yeah.
How you guys take buys in through the clean candles is pretty much the imbalance, yeah.
Yeah. Nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Looks good. Yeah, I think for sure. For sure, if we can get there. Let's take a look at Goldie now. Yeah.
So I actually have that 30-minute trend line there, and for me personally, so price broke above that 30-minute trend line now. And if we come down to that gentleman's area, it will invalidate the break of structure on the 30.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's just how
I agree.
Looking at it from a structure point of view. But it could possibly, like, price haven't traded in that area that he has pointed out, so price has to capture these areas. Like it's basically it is a magnet for price to come back to.
Yeah.
So we could just go tap, form a few candles and continue bullish.
Yeah, boy. Let's look at GJ now.
Do you say that's a 5-minute salary on gold to the downside?
Yeah. But for me, it's still above the trend line, so I'm not touching that. Let's take a look at gold GJ. 5 minutes closed above. Are you looking at that, Bri?
Won't buy the high, mate.
Yep. You're looking here. You're looking here. You're looking down here. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I wanted low, boy.
I wanted low. Can this be a double top entry on GJ? Double top for a
Just a
sell?
strong
Nah,
raise.
it's just a
Just a strong
resistance.
raise.
Yeah, it's good. And in 3 minutes time, it's probably going to close above, right?
I also did that mistake in the beginning, like thinking that a double top widespread was also a double top, but it's not. It's just a strong raise.
Yeah,
As long as they're next to each other, then yeah, it's all good.
for sure. Yeah, I'd also be cautious. This may push into this area, but I think it's a bit of a risky zone because the zone here, can you see this is hourly support? It could be hourly res here, and it is hourly res because you can see it happen before. So it could be a little bit hard there, if I'm honest. 5 minute broke the low of the previous. Pushing down, pushing down. Interesting. Interesting. Let's take a look. Can you connect the wicks and make trend line from gold from above in the 4 hour? You can do whatever you want with it, but mine is like this right now. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Let's take a look over here. So looking like gold is coming back down. We'll see how it reacts to that level. I'll check it if there's any more charts. Max, how do you figure out what percentage you made on that gold? Because you just do some maths, right? You just do some maths. So we'll do it here. So 5 minutes. There we go. So it was half risk that I did, right? I closed 80% at, let me just see where I closed it. So I'll do my percentage and I'll do the percentage of the mentorship. So I got in there. I closed 80% at 20 pips. I actually did close it at 20. I'll show you here. I can't wait. Yeah, 20 pips. Let's just say, right, so 20 pips, close 80% at 20. We'll say that other people closed maybe at like 16, right, when it started pushing. So we'll do 16. Then I closed full at 0 because the runner couldn't continue. Okay, so total pips secured. You go on the calculator. Okay, so 16 times 0.8. Oh shit. Okay. Is 12.8, so that's the true value. Okay, so 12.8, so 12.8. Okay, so this is the W, and then I just drag this down, but I need to change something because that was GJ full risk, and this is half risk. So then I do this, divided by 2, and there you go. So I made like 0.8%. So yeah. That's how you work it out. It's pretty simple.
Now that I see that spreadsheet, it is a little blurry. I can't see the candles.
Zoom blurry.
Maybe, yeah.
I
can't see the spreadsheet so well, but the candles I can see. That's fine. So it is a little blurry.
We'll see. We'll see what the score is later on. Just do some maths, bruv. You buy GJ right now, you will burn. Yeah, looking like it's
a bloody lie.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little hard. 30 minute closed above, but not strong enough. Me, I'm staying well away from GJ this day. I'm gonna sit on my gold and take a 5 minute trend line break.
You should full risk gold and half risk GJ.
I know. I was thinking. I actually was thinking. I'll do gold for like a month or two, and then I'm put 10 on that bitch. Oh, I think Dr. Dollar just got slapped over here. Yeah, he did.
Shit. He's gonna have to sell his Corvette like savage.
I think Dr. Dollar was doing some boot camp thing last week, and so he hasn't felt the wrath of GJ this last week. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, you ever feel the power of the dark side of GJ? Oh my god. You take a trade, instant 10 pip loss. Like, it's not a vibe. It's not a vibe, I tell you. Let's take a look. GJ may close above 30-minute resistance, but not on 15. Yeah, man. And especially with this, especially with like the way this is traded, like especially with GJ right now, you gotta just give it more confidence, man. Do what Brian did. That's the only thing you could really do if you want to get in. For me, I can't learn it yet. I just think it's so more in depth. So, you know, I pick up little pieces every single time I speak to Brian about it, but I'm not there yet. But I can see how this is nice.
It'll come.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. So still respecting this trend, right? Pretty much tapped it there.
My runner doesn't want to get tapped.
Yeah, you're looking good. You could be good now. When you win on gold, fuck you, GJ.
Yeah, so now if you look at the 30-minute max, go check that trend line I had on the 30.
From here?
Yeah, from the top.
And it was up there now?
Like I had mine from the top.
You drew on the 5 minute though.
No, that's a recent week. Yeah.
Oh,
check-
there. Yeah. I see.
So that's why I had it that way.
Yeah.
So there was plenty of trades to take in here. Anyway.
There was.
Just
Wait, so if Manuel took 4 trades there and all won 1% each, fucking 4% on a Monday morning.
Monday morning, yes. And I'm considering if I'm gonna do New York or if I'm gonna go to the beach.
That's crazy.
morning hesitate, can't get out of bed.
And because there's so more of the trades, you don't mind taking the loss even if one comes. You're just taking fucking 4
So
wins.
many.
Yeah, yeah. Nice, man. Nice. Oh yeah, the new.
Manuel's gonna retire before all of us. I can see it.
Oh mate, putting like 10 fucking lots on this bitch. Oh, and we'll see what we can get. We'll see what we can get with over here. Oh, EJ, get off my screen. Oh my god. Did anyone hold on AJ? Did they finally get 10 pips? Did they ever get 10 pips? Nope. That's what I'm saying. It's so fucking slow.
PG 30 minute.
Oh, Dr. Dollar gonna be pissed over here. Just tapped his stop loss and went thump. That's GJ for you. EJ news is bad. Let's take a look. Some people got fucking clotted on GJ this morning again. Oh my god. Business climate, yeah. Released every 3 months. Is there some more MyFX book? Hold on. I got another commissions payout on payback FOREX payback effects. It's fucking amazing, man.
At least you're getting a payout from something.
Yeah, man. Fuck. DJ's not paying me out.
Yeah, it was a hard week last week for you, right?
Yeah, man. That's fucking BE. How fucking great is that?
It's so cuck.
That last fucking day was so shit on GG. And then we sat looking at GJ the whole week, and we literally, we literally watched fucking gold every single day. It was a 70, 80 pip 5 minute trend break. I was like, oh man, I gotta get into this, man. Manuel and fucking Jason have just took like 4 fucking trades, all winners.
That's ridiculous.
0 drawdown. Like that trade before was 0 drawdown, pretty much.
Yeah, totally.
I went straight up to
Good.
4 or 5 pips like instantly. Oh, GJ's just ruined everyone. Oh my god.
CJ can be a piece of shit sometimes.
Yeah, tell me about it.
30 minute look pretty good.
GJ is a joke at this point. I look at that, just
Look at
absolutely.
high. Check the spread on GJ.
Are they?
Yeah. Like 2 pips.
Yeah, but that lovely wick just takes everyone out or enters certain traders.
That just
Ninja's
tapped
probably doing
everyone out, man. Oh. That's nasty. What a rocket now. Hey Max posted a break even and a stop loss on Discord charts. Amazing. I'll take a look at that. Thank you very much for doing that. So looks like someone wants some magic keys for sure. Oh, I think we've already gone through it, bro. Oh no, you've got some more. Oh, nice. Oh, they're coming in fast and thick now. Okay, beautiful. This is what I want. Okay, so this is Dow Jones. Okay, we had a fake out and the 15-minute candle closed below the previous candle. Overall, we had a bullish momentum in the market. So after the second time you closed above resistance, I took my first trade. Okay, very nice. Stop loss was good below the previous 15. Looks good. Overall bullish market structure on lower time frame and higher time frame. Took this trade to anticipate the NY open momentum. 50-minute candle closed above the previous high. Waiting for the next candle to create a lower wick and then flip. Bring stop loss to break even before NY. I've used a stop loss the previous candle low. Okay, close 50% at 1-to-1. Very nice. If yours 30 would have been rejected from the daily high, I would have closed 50% of my trade. Ah, so you found a way to go, right, you know, if this happens, I'm going to close half and leave rest running. Very, very nice. This is the gold 15-minute, very nice. Daily bearish, 4-hour bearish, 30-minute bullish. We're looking for buy since gold is forming a bullish market structure on the 30-minute. Gold created a market structure, creating a support, and then broke the previous high. Very nice. Yep, the stop loss was beautiful as well. Great low wick. This is a very, very simple closure above. Easy. Right, the trade wants the closure above resistance in the 15-minute. I took the trade at the candle flip for the trade management. I used the candle low as stop loss. I've put my stop loss to break even when the trade reached 15 pips. Nice. Very nice. Amazing work. Like, beautiful. This is AJ. Oh, I think you took this trade. Is the trade? Oh, paper trade. Okay. Also, not taking sticking. Looking for a buy above the resistance. Nice. Entered at the break of the high. Yep. Stop loss below the current below previous low was too big. Yeah. Hit stop loss. I should have waited for the hourly close that was coming 50 minutes later for better confirmation and waited low wick first. Yeah. I agree. So you got in on this candle, yeah. Also did not take into consideration the possible turtle soup. Yeah. I think that's okay. I think I generally think AJ, especially with these low wicks, like this tiny low wick, it just doesn't have enough momentum, right? Whereas GJ has momentum, so when it makes the low wick and pushes, it normally pushes quite hard and nice. So yeah. Yeah, boy. So now I think trend line for me that I would use still is probably this one here.
Yeah, I got a nice beautiful retest.
Huh?
I got a nice beautiful retest.
You got in here?
Yeah.
Holy fucking shit.
I'm telling you, it's disgusting.
Oh my god.
It's giving me traders block, these gold traders.
Very nice. Where was your stop here?
My stops were at the
17.24. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful, man.
Yeah, I took 10 tips already.
Nice. So I haven't got to that stage yet. My simulations weren't on that. Mine are just closures and then that. But beautiful. I see that nicely. Did I actually tap it though? Where did I actually tap it? Oh, is it the previous one?
Yep.
Yeah.
The previous one, yeah. Yeah, that one exactly.
Like this one here. Oh, fucking hell, yeah, to the T. Holy shit.
Yeah, to the T. To the 5 minutes, it broke below it, but then closed above it, and then the next one came down, touched it again, and then just whoosh. Yeah. And then I entered on that next one when it touched the trend line, and then
nice.
Pissed off. So I was kind of lucky. It came down and touched the trend line again.
Yeah, so that's a good idea actually. So you didn't want to get in this one because you were worried that if this 5 minute this one here closes below the trend line whilst you're in it, you're fucked, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait for it to close, and then you can see if it closes above it, and it did. Beautiful. That's another 15 pips for you. Well done. And this one may be the stinker now. Let's look at the 30. 30 did close above, below. Sorry, back in the zone.
Well, didn't go to my runner, so I still have the runner on.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You still have your initial position in Mano.
Sorry?
Is your initial position still running?
Yeah.
Okay.
24.44.
Yeah, mine is 24.83 though. It's still in. I'm up still 18 pips. It's. I thought it was gonna get tapped with what's that?
Okay, guys, enough. It's starting to get irritating. Okay.
Going to red like Max now.
Got it.
Black, you can talk. Black Brian can talk.
Yeah. Go on, Brian. You talk. Go on, Brian. You talk about what GJ is doing right now. If this is fucking interesting.
DJ, let's just check gold out.
GJ tapped 860, which is pretty good. Resistance. I like it. But yeah. Looking at resistance to form here. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, guys. GJ confidence levels right now and the way it's moving is whack. It's just so, the zones of wank, like fucking wank. So I'm not wasting any more of my bullshit money on trading a pair that literally has no idea what it's doing. even the trades that work out, there's a pain to them. So I'm just waiting for clean zones, man, and they're gonna come below 163, and maybe above. I mean, maybe above here 163, 860, but we'll have to see. Yeah. You can see DC as well. DC is normally very aggressive with GJ, and you can see he hasn't taken many trades this month at all. Really, that have been like big stinkers because it just hasn't been any. They've been quite hard. Would you consider a sell back into the range? Nah, this range for me here, piece of shit. I'm not touching it. If I had confidence of the range and the way it moved, for sure, but I'm not. I'm just not. Like, look at this. It's just retraced all the way. Like, it's just painful to watch, to be honest with you. So it's 9:12. Wow, that went quick, man. Hey, I tell you what. Coming on streams and vibing, it's the best job ever. It's fucking great.
Oh, yes, it is. Fucking hate weekends.
Yeah, I do hate. I like weekends, but I also don't like weekends. I wish I don't know. Like sometimes some parts I like it, but I'm like, oh, I just want to get back on the charts and just chill. I think gold is going to fill the previous daily wick. I got in near the daily low. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, I agree. I think they should continue to 1736. Yeah, for sure. Because can you see what we're doing here? We're kind of holding support at this level. We really keep on tapping it and rejecting it. So I think it's gonna be good later on for sure. As I said, the trend line now for the break would be up here now. Do you set stop loss to break even at 2 pips to account for buy limit spread? On last gold trade, my run at break even didn't account for commission like it would with buy stop. Oh, really? I think when I put break even, it was just 1 pip in profit, like it always is. Yeah, so I account for 1 pip spread. Which is actually quite interesting goal if you think about it, because if the spread is 2 pips already, and you're in a buy or a sell, and you stop there, then you've got 3 pips to like leave. So yeah, it's quite hard to put break even. Yeah. So 9 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie. After 9 o'clock, when I did the back testing of this, we didn't really move too much until like 10:30. Then we started looking again. 11:30, 12 o'clock. They're the perfect times for later on. So yeah, GJ did absolutely fuck all this session again. I mean, a nice little buy for Bri over here to continue. But apart from that, it's still just fuck around in this area. So yeah.
Could you have a look at my GJ chart?
Yep, let's take a look. This one here?
Yep. So M30 OB, double top liquidity and exact 164. So for continuation down.
So I have no idea what that means. The only thing I know, is this here.
Yep. So that'll be a good place to be looking for sales. Yeah. Well, for it to sell off from.
Yeah.
Brian likes it, so that's good.
Jason, what are you fucking messaging me for? What the fuck is he on about? What are you on about, Jace? I'm so confused. Oh, the cowboy. Jeez. Don't you worry about it. Jace.
looking out for the pain, man.
Instagram doesn't know those things, Jay.
Yeah, boy, exactly. And they're all wins anyway, so it's... Okay, so I'm gonna leave it off over here now. It's 9:15. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the breaks later on Goldie. The good thing about today in gold is that the trend lines are very much set in stone, right? This is the bearish trend line. This is the bullish one. So all you got to do is wait. So we'll do that later on, and we'll probably take a nice one in NY as well. We'll see what the score is. But yeah, guys, learned a lot today. 96 likes, amazing work. Very, very happy with that squad. So yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys do want to join the mentorship and another 150 bunch of retards in this group who
Listen to this guy.
trade NY, make sure to come and join. I'll put the link in the chat. We do simulation sessions every week. We do webinars every week. We do live streams every week. And we have some good fun whilst doing it, man. Keeps it fun and entertaining as well.
We complete you, Max.
That is true. That is true.
You'd be boring without us.
Nah, I'm never boring. I'm not a boring kind of guy.
Shit.
Right, okay. See you later, Zoom. I'll see you at 12 o'clock, man. Peace out, squad. Manuel, don't spend all your 5% at once.
No.
And buy all the ice cream at the beach.
Right, see you later, squad. Peace out, man.
See you later, guys.
See you later. See you later, alligator. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Amazing work today. We waited for the 5 minute. I stayed away from GJ, which I'm very happy for. And yeah, thank you very much, guys. Peace out tomorrow.